Hi guys, I'm Miss Baker, and tonight I want to share with you some summarizing tips. Okay, you can use these summarizing tips with your Super Chef story that we've been reading as a school. You can use these summarizing tips with stories you read in class, or you can use these summarizing tips for your personal time. So when Miss Baker talks about summarizing, she's talking about those important events, the most important events. Is everything in a story important? No. Everything, remember what is important? We use these 5 W's. We have who, where, why, what, and when. Sometimes we even like to include how. These are the most important things we need to look for in a story. Who is the characters in the story? What are they doing? Have they been? Why does this character feel a certain kind of way? These are the most important events in a story. These are the things that we always need to remember whenever we're reading our text. It's important to summarize because summarizing helps you remember what you read. Say you're reading a very thick book, meaning it has a lot of chapters. Well, you do that by summarizing. Summarizing helps you remember what you read. And the more you remember, the more you understand. So always think back to those 5 W's summarizing. If you can't remember the 5 W's, remember you have 5 fingers on your hand. If you cannot remember the 5 W's, remember you have 5 fingers on your hand. So you can use your fingers to line up with the W's. Who? That helps you remember that there are 5 W's and there are 5 important things that I need to remember. Here is a visual or an illustration to help you remember. If you want to take a picture, just reach out and let me know, and I'll make sure that you get that. But this is a visual to help you remember those 5 things. So here on the screen, they use somebody, then. It is the same strategy as the W's. So we start off with somebody, as in who is the main character. Wanted, what do they want? What did the character want in the story? But problem. What is the problem? So the character is going to try and solve it. How does the character try to solve their problem? Then is fixed. How does the, so 5 W's, same for somebody, wanted, but, so, then. And summarizing it isn't just for fictional stories, guys. Summarizing is for fiction and nonfiction. So when stories that are real and true, you can apply the same strategies that Ms. Baker showed you today. All right. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out and let us know. All right.